Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the sixth part of chapter-wise multiple choice questions series of physics. Today in this video, we will discuss 20 important multiple choice questions from waves and optics. And these questions are very important for your all types of competitive entrance examinations. Now let's start with our first question. According to Huygens principle, light is a form of option choice A particle, option choice B rays, option choice C wave, option choice D radiation. According to Huygens principle, light travel in a form of longitudinal wave. So wave is our right answer according to Huygens. Now let's see question number 2. When interference of light takes place, when light coming from two sources interfere with each other, then alternate bright and dark fringe appears, that is redistribution of energy of light. So option choice C is the correct answer for this question. Conservation of energy holds good and energy is redistributed. So option choice C is the correct answer for question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. The refractive index of water is 1.33. What will be speed of light in water? Speed of light in water is a standard quantity. Let's do some calculation and find the value of speed of light in water. We know that this refractive index is velocity of light in vacuum to the velocity of light in medium. We know that velocity of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 and velocity of light in water is v, that is unknown. By doing this simple calculation, we can find the correct answer for this question, that is option choice A is the right answer, that is 2.26 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Meter per second is this is missing here. So right answer for this question is option choice A, 2.26 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Question number 4. Color appears on a thin soap film and on soap bubbles due to phenomenon of. In soap bubble, the thin film appears, that color fringe appears because of interference of light. So interference is the correct answer for question number 4. Now let's move to question number 5. A short pulse of white light is incident from air to a glass slab. After traveling through the slab, the first color that comes out is red color. Red color has maximum velocity. So after getting diffracted, after getting converted into different color among white light, red light comes out of slab. Option choice D is the right answer for question number 5. And all other different color comes in the pattern of V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. We know the pattern of 7 colors in a white light. Question number 6. In a diffraction experiment with a light wave, the size of obstacle in the path should be. We all know that the wavelength of light must be in the order of size of obstacle in order to be diffraction. This is the necessary and sufficient condition for the diffraction of light. And for this case, we know that 10 to the power minus 7 is the order of the wavelength of visible light. So obstacle should be also in the same order in order to show the diffraction phenomenon. So right answer for the question number 6 is 10 to the power minus 7 meter. The locus of all the adjacent point at which phase of vibration of wave is same is called wave front. Right answer for this question is wave front, option choice B. The locus of all the adjacent point is called wave front. Question number 8. Which of the following does not support the wave nature of light? For the interference, diffraction and polarization to be occur, light should show the phenomenon of its wave nature. But for the photoelectric effect, light should show the nature of particle, or particle nature is the particle nature. Because of particle nature, photoelectric effect occurs or it happens. So option choice D is the right answer for this question. Question number 9. Light is coming from sun to earth in the form of wave front. Such type of wave front is plane wave front. For a spherical wave front, we must have a point source. For a cylindrical waveform, we must have a linear source of light. Question number 10. Light has a wave nature, but it appears to be propagated along a straight line because because of having very small value of wavelength of light, it appears to be straight line, it appears to be propagating like in a straight line. If wavelength is very high, then light shows a wavy nature. Question number 11. Two sources of light is said to be coherent. Two sources of light is said to be coherent if they produce wave of same wavelength having a constant initial phase difference. Coherence means having same wavelength and having constant and same phase difference. Option choice C is the right answer for question number 11. Now let's move to question number 12. In an interference experiment, the spacing between successive maxima and minima is lambda is the wavelength of light, small d is the separation between slit, and capital D is the slit screen separation. Correct answer for this question is option choice B. Now let's move to question number 13. For a path difference, lambda phase difference is. We need to do a little bit correction in this question. For a path difference, lambda phase difference is. Right answer for this question is 2 pi. This is a complete wave, and we know that the path difference between 2 points here is lambda, and phase difference is 2 pi. So right answer for this question is 2 pi, option choice B. Now let's see question number 14. When light is polarized by reflection, what is the angle between reflected and refracted ray? In such case, angle between reflected and refracted ray becomes 90 degree, that is pi by 2. Option choice D is the right answer for question number 14. Question number 15. According to Brester's law, the refractive index mu is equal to, tangent of angle of polarization, that is tan p, that is option choice A is the correct answer for question number 15. Now let's see question number 16. Polarization of light conclusively proves that, light wave is transverse wave, because longitudinal wave cannot be polarized. Longitudinal wave are already polarized wave. So polarization nature concludes that light wave is a transverse wave. Option choice B is the right answer. Question number 17. Which of the following does not support the wave nature of light? We already discussed this. Photoelectric effect is the right answer. Question number 18. In Young double slit experiment using a light of wavelength 6 nanometer, the slits were 0.3 millimeter apart and the slit screen separation is 2 meter. What is the fringe width? We know this is capital D, this is small d, this is lambda. Lambda is in nanometer. Let's convert that nanometer into meter. Let's convert millimeter into meter, and by using the formula we get our right answer, that is option choice A. Now let's see question number 19. The resolving power of a telescope is equal to A divided by 1.22 times lambda. Option choice B is the right answer for question number 19. Now let's see last question of this video. The dispersion of diffraction grating indicates the separation of line of same order. Option choice B is the right answer. Thank you very much.